I'm at the Home Depot to buy a house, of all things. Unfortunately, when I went over to Home Depot, they didn't have the house that I wanted to look at. The one that's been all over the articles that's under $50,000. But it is online, so we're going to go jump over there. Let's go. Okay, here we are. It's called the Getaway Pad. The Getaway Pad. Maybe it should be called the Doghouse. It's 540 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom with a roof deck and a tiny home steel frame building kit ADU cabin guest house. That's a mouthful. It comes with this great little video of the whole entire little house. So let's take a look at that a little bit. It's a lot bigger than I was imagining, 540 square feet. My first apartment was only 600 square feet. So that's pretty good size for a 1-bedroom. So I have to admit, it's a pretty cute house. But let's go ahead and see if it comes with all the parts that they show on the video itself. I know it doesn't come with the furniture, but I want to know if it comes with the spiral staircase and those kinds of things, or is that extra? This one introduces the Gateway Pad Steel Frame Kit Home, architecturally designed to provide extra space outside your home for personal use. This framing kit is easily designed for assembly on your own concrete slab. The Getaway Pad Home Kit +1 includes only the steel structure and necessary components to assemble them. So it's only the steel structure? No. No walls? Let's see what else. Maybe you didn't want to go with the Home Depot, what they offered, their package. So let's see the +1 website. Okay, there's the ADUs. They apparently have lots of different ones to choose from. They don't have the prices of these ADUs on their website. The only thing that I always warn anybody about when it comes to working with companies, when they only have pictures that are computer renderings, that always is usually a red flag to me. Apparently, Home Depot has already vetted this company, and that's why they're allowing them to be on their website, because they're all computer renderings. Not one of them is an actual house. But I'm trusting Home Depot, they got this right. The thing is, nothing really changes when it comes to turning this home that they are featuring on Home Depot into a house. It's no different than taking one of these, which is a shell, and turning into a house. It's the same with the house that they're showing, and that's under $50,000. The Home Depot offers most finishings you'll need to complete your personal space, such as doors, windows, electrical, plumbing, and finishes. So they're offering a package at Home Depot, I'm assuming. Designed for all elements required, offering 620 square feet, open inside area, allowing you to utilize the space the way you desire. But wait a minute. At the beginning, it said it was 540 square feet, but now it's saying it's 620 square feet. I guess I'm assuming once you put the walls in and everything that it takes up some of the square footage, but that doesn't really make sense. The model is designed to be constructed on a concrete slab with no deck option. The deck and the flooring system is an upgrade option. No! We're gonna have to find out how much the upgrades are. And we need to come up with some other costs so we can figure out actually how much this is gonna cost. Sure, the kit's gonna cost $50,000, but there's gonna be other things that need to be done to it. Let's do a rundown together because I think that would be interesting. You can do it, we can help. You're required to download the prelim plans and additional resources on Home Depot website and take them to your local authority for approval and corrections they require and need to be sent before purchase. Let's find out how much permitting is. The cost for ADU permits varies by range, anywhere from $450 to $14,000. So let's split it in the middle and we'll say $7,000. +1 home steel kit provides maximum strength and durability. Steel frame buildings are not affected by termites, molds, rodents, or bugs. This is true. Durable, high quality steel. All steel frames are manufactured using pure G90 galvanized US steel with a 50-year warranty. Is the structure a 50-year warranty or just the steel? We're gonna have to look into that. This one's only $5,903. At that price point, would you consider turning that into a livable space? I just thought of something fun. Like you could take that house and then add that garage, and now you have yourself a little like apartment, basically. You could do it and they can help. As an extra bonus, all steel frame kits are engineered to withstand harsh climates, including cyclones and hurricanes. I need to see their wind zone on that. If this was a manufactured HUD certified home, they would have to have a wind speed rating for it. But I guess because it's an ADU, they're not required to have that. Hey, but you know what? It doesn't say anything about earthquakes. That's something you need to know, because most people are doing these ADUs in their backyard or in California because they have an affordability crisis that they're trying to help. You have the complete freedom and design to finish your ADU in a complete unique way to match your spatial needs, budget, and personal style. Oh, good Lord. Okay, so let's do some math, okay? We're gonna figure this out. I'm writing it all down. You're still going to need plumbing. You're still going to need wiring. New construction rough-in plumbing costs between $6,000 on average, or between $1,500 and $1,750. So we're going to split the difference. I'm going to say it's $5,000. We're going to just say $5,000 for plumbing. I hope you guys have a pen and paper like I do. I'm writing this all down. So according to Google, the cost of finished drywall ranges from 50 cents to $1.15 per square foot. Oh, that's not too bad. It's $1,800. But you're going to need to have specialized drywall for your bathroom. We're just going to say $30. But before we go inside, you know what I didn't think about? We can't forget the sewer. You're going to have to figure out where your poop goes and other bodily fluids. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, and here's another cost we didn't think about. We got to write down. Water. Water. How much is water going to cost? So if you don't have a septic system, a septic tank is going to cost you between $3,600 to $10,000, because if you're not connecting it to your house and it doesn't have city water and sewer, and it's going to be like separated, that's going to cost you up to $10,000. So let's split it down the middle, and we're going to say $5,000. Now, if you were going to connect to city water and sewer, that can vary too. Little is like $1,500, and it can go up from there. Let's go back to that concrete slab. So it's saying $4 to $8 per square foot. Okay, so if it's $620 and you wanted to add some porches, so that's going to be $4,100. And honestly, that's a steal. Like, I'm just going by what this says as far as costs on concrete, because concrete's expensive here. Okay, I'm still adding up the numbers because we still have more things to purchase. And if you're using this as a rental unit, you're going to need a pole and a meter that goes to this specific ADU, so it doesn't draining from the actual primary residence. So how much is a pole with a meter? A utility pole installation costs between $1,200 to $5,600. So if we're going to split the difference, that makes it $2,800. So let's just go ahead and add that to the total. The national average range to wire a new home is between $5,000 and $15,000. We'll cut it in half and say that will cost us $5,000. How much is it going to cost to insulate it? Because it doesn't come with any kind of insulation in it. So normally when it comes to structures like this, everybody that I've ever talked to, when they're doing a container home or any kind of home like this, they usually use spray foam. So spray foam cost, according to Bob Vila, ranges between $1,284 to $3,741, with a national average of $2,492. If you're going to do it yourself, let's just go ahead and do with the average cost, which is $2,492. Let's do wood floors because, I like me some wood floors. So it's $2.89 per square foot. So the flooring, just the flooring alone, is $1,791. And that's not installations. But, pergo flooring isn't that hard to put together. It's one of the first floors I ever put down ever in my life, and it's still sitting there. So you can do it. It's like the Home Depot says. And we need paint. So this is like a 5-gallon bucket for $84. If it's me, because I always like extra, I would just buy one of these buckets for $85 for the ceilings, and then another $85 for the walls. So now let's go ahead and add up all our numbers together. The good thing is I have editing and I can show you all these numbers on the screen. So with my very, very, very rough estimate, This $50,000 house is now costing about $85,000, give or take. You have to admit the house that they're putting together for under $50,000 is extremely cute, but you're gonna have to add all those extra things to make it look like the one in the picture. With the price and all the things you have to do to it to get it up to code, is it something that you're considering? Do you think it's affordable? Let me know in the comments section below. To watch more videos about Home Depot homes, you're gonna wanna watch these videos right here. My name is Kristina Smallhorn, your real estate whisperer, and I tell you all this because good real estate information matters.